Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create an Excel report in Jotform. This is a fantastic way to transform your form submissions into organized, downloadable spreadsheets that you can analyze and share with your team. Let's jump right in and get this set up. First, open your web browser and navigate to jotform.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to log in using your credentials, enter your email and password to access your Jotform account. This step is essential as it gives you access to all your forms and the reporting tools we'll be using today. After logging in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the page. You'll see an option labeled My Workspace. Go ahead and click on it. This section serves as your central hub where you can manage all your forms, reports, and other Jotform features. It's where everything comes together for easy access and organization. Once you're in your workspace, click on My Forms. This will display a list of all the forms you've created in your account. Now locate the specific form you want to generate a report for and check the box next to it. After selecting your form, look at the top of the page and click on Reports. This will open up the reporting options available for your selected form. From there, click Add New Report to begin creating your Excel report. A window will appear showing different report types you can create. For this tutorial, select Excel Report. This option is perfect if you want a clean, structured spreadsheet format that's easy to work with in Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. Next, you'll be prompted to enter a name in the Report Name field. Choose something descriptive that helps you identify this report later, especially if you're managing multiple forms and reports. A clear name will save you time when searching through your reports in the future. Now comes the customization part. Look for the fields list on the screen. This is where you select which form fields you want to include in your Excel report. Simply click on the fields you want to appear in your spreadsheet. You might not need every single field from your form, so this step gives you control over what data gets exported. Choose only the information that's relevant to your analysis or reporting needs. After selecting your fields, you'll notice Report Configurations options. Click on this section to explore additional settings. Here you can enable or disable various features depending on how you want your report to function. These configurations allow you to tailor the report's behavior to match your specific requirements, so take a moment to review them and adjust as needed. If you want to add an extra layer of security to your report, you can enable password protection. This is particularly useful if your report contains sensitive information. Simply toggle the password protection option on and set a strong password. This ensures that only authorized users with the password can access and view your Excel report. Finally, once you've configured everything to your liking, click Create. Jotform will process your settings and generate the Excel report. You've now successfully created an Excel report in Jotform that you can download, share, and analyze whenever you need. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.